Hey creative people, let's make use out of the empty tins and glass jars and convert them into a masterpiece. Prepare a mixture of white cement and water. Pour little in the tin. Place the jar right in the center of the tin, followed by pouring the rest of the cement mixture. Cover the top layer with the beads. Let's move on to our next step. Here is a rope that I'm going to use to prepare the hump or the curve at the center bottom of the tin as shown. Once you get the shape of a pot, cover it with any colored thick rope of your choice. The top layer needs a quick firm fixing, so I am using hot glue. Apply Fevicol on the rest of the area, followed by fixing the base again with the hot glue as done. You may fill up the top layer with more beads to hide the white cement. Guys,